My channel. So for this week's video, I have a DIY Ottoman. Ottoman. Wow, that's a weird word to say. Ottoman. It's like a transformer. Anyway, I have a DIY Ottoman makeover that I am excited to share with you. It turned out super cute. I got this Ottoman off of the free section of Let Go. Just letting you guys know that there's amazing stuff out there. You just have to look on the free sections, and with a little TLC, it's awesome. So without further ado, let me show you how I made over this Ottoman / coffee table. So this is what the Ottoman looked like originally. It wasn't in too bad of a shape, it was just a little bit outdated for my style, so I just wanted to give it a little bit of a refresh. So the first order of business was to detach the top and tighten up all of the bolts that were loose. So starting out, I did 2 coats of the castle paint on the piece. And then I went in and I used a paintbrush and I stippled it in the paint, wiped off the excess on a paper towel, and then gently grazed it across the surface. I'm trying to make it look like faux wood grain, so you want to follow where the wood grain would naturally be. Next, I used a little bit of that darkened castle color just to add a little bit more depth. And finally, I used my linen white chalked paint, and I did the same stippling effect, and I just ran it across. And this makes a really lovely wood waxed wood texture, and I really love how it turned out. Then I just repeated the same process for the rest of the piece. Now the next order of business was to take off the old upholstery fabric. So I took off the top layer of staples where the cardboard was, and then I just trimmed off the excess because I hate removing staples and you're not going to see this part, so I just decided to leave that little ribbon of fabric there. Now I got some really nice navy blue upholstery fabric from Joann's to recover it with. You just want to pull it taut and staple it down. This is the technique that I used to finish off the corners. I will link the Pinterest post that I used to figure out how to do this. And this is what it looks like all finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it inspires you to take on a project of your own. Everything is doable if you just set your mind to it. I just want to encourage you to not be afraid of taking on a project because you feel like you're not qualified. Things may go wrong, but you have the ability to overcome any obstacle you set your mind to. So I just want to inspire you guys with each video that I make and hope to encourage you to DIY stuff of your own. There's just something really gratifying in just creating things yourself for your home and curating your home on a more personal level. Now, everything might not be perfect, but that adds some charm to it. It doesn't have to be perfect all the time. Maybe for some people it does. I'm not saying that everybody can handle imperfection, but for me, I love to just curate my home and have individual and unique pieces in it that I know that I put my time and love into. Anyway, I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video.